The Japanese matchlock gun, or Tanegashima, is a historical weapon originating from guns brought to Japan by the Portuguese in the 16th century. This gun significantly influenced the Sengoku period, 1467–1615, in Japan, transforming tactics and the nature of warfare. The characteristic feature of the matchlock gun is its ignition mechanism, which uses a burning cord known as a match. The shooter ignites the gunpowder in the gun by touching it with the match. Despite its simple mechanism, the matchlock gun boasted high power and accuracy on the battlefield, becoming the principal weapon for infantry. The appeal of the matchlock gun lies not only in its technical innovation, but also in the meticulous improvements and aesthetic decorations made by Japanese gunsmiths. The guns, adorned with carvings and decorations reflecting Japan's unique aesthetic sense, transcended their role as mere combat weapons to become valued as works of art. Furthermore, the matchlock gun is deeply rooted in Japanese history and culture, becoming an indispensable element in the battles of samurai and warlords during the Sengoku period, and thus a crucial icon in the narrative of Japanese history. Therefore, the Japanese matchlock gun represents a fascinating weapon not only for its technological interest, but also for its historical and cultural significance.